It's the 5th annual Tarot Summer School 2020 Staycation Edition. Give me a T. Give me an A. Give me an R. Give me an O. Give me a T. What does it spell? Tarot Summer School. Woo! Come and join me and 11 other teachers from around the world for a summer full of tarot, magic, and a lot of fun. Learn at your own pace, lifetime access, courses on tarot, magic, oracles, healing, and creativity. It is going to be amazing. It's going to bring a bit of a spark to your summer. Not only are you going to get a new course released every week this summer starting June 1st, there are also 2 live campfire sessions where you can join myself and other teachers and students from all over the world to talk tarot, dive into some of the content from Tarot Summer School, and basically hang out with the coolest people. We also have a bonus course for everyone who enrolls in our season pass, which is where you get every single one of those courses, honey, for a really, really good price. And we also have a fantastic raffle. So every time you enroll in one course or the entire package, you go immediately into the draw to win decks, books, and a whole bunch of other goodness. So grab your favorite tarot and oracle decks and get ready to learn some amazing things this summer. Make sure you join me and Frederick for Tarot Summer School 2020. But you can't have Frederick, he's mine.